there folks, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, I'd just like to extend a warm welcome, and if you enjoy these types of videos, please consider subscribing. Anyways, in this video I'll be showing you this LEGO safe I recently built. I created a pretty cool LEGO mechanism which requires 4 steps to solve. In my opinion, it's a pretty cool mechanism, and I hope you enjoy it.